Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track YouTube videos in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a simple workspace that follows each video from idea to publish, and it will also help you monitor performance over time. I've placed a direct link to Airtable at the very top of the description so you can open it right now. Start by heading to airtable.com and logging in. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and give it a clear name like YouTube Video Tracker, so it's easy to find later. A clean name matters when you build more bases down the road. Next, set up the fields you need. Create a video title field using single-line text. Add a video URL field, and set the type to URL so Airtable validates the link. Make a status field as a single select and add these options, in order: ideas, scripted, filmed, edited, and published. That single select flow will make your pipeline crystal clear. Create a publish date field as date. Then, add 3 number fields called views, likes, and comments. Finally, add a notes field using long text for observations and ideas. With just these fields, you can manage both workflow and performance without clutter. Now start adding your YouTube videos. Paste the video title, drop in the YouTube link, choose the current status, like published if it's live, and type in the latest counts for views, likes, and comments from YouTube Studio. Keep it consistent across entries so comparisons are meaningful. Plan to update these numbers weekly or monthly. The key is staying regular so trends actually show up. To make the base easier to use, create a couple of views. Click the plus icon next to view and add a Kanban view grouped by status. This layout is excellent for planning because you can see exactly what's in ideas, what's scripted, and what's ready to be edited or published. Also create a grid view and sort it by publish date. That gives you a clean timeline of everything you've released. Each week, update the metrics and jot down insights in the notes field. Capture quick observations like, this video spiked after 48 hours, or short title performed better. These notes will help you spot patterns and adjust your thumbnails, titles, or topics to grow the channel. That's the entire system. Simple, fast, and effective. The link to Airtable is at the top of the description. If this helped you organize your content and track results, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.